welcome back to my channel. It's me Sai here, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to cook Tom Yum Goong, how to make Tom Yum Goong. So just keep that in mind that this Tom Yum Goong is not like traditional original like from Thai cuisine. This one have been adapted to like into the new style, so it's easy for the restaurant to cook. So the originals using coconut, and I don't think they use the chili paste. And what I haven't heard is the original Tom Yum Goong is not supposed to be sour, but this one in this style I'm gonna be showing you today Tom Yum Goong that you can find on the street food. So let's go and see all the ingredients. I hope you guys can see me. So first you boiling the water, this water, and then add the herb on here. I recommend you to smash the herb after you slice them, smash them so you get the good nice smell. I already smack one of these, put it in. We will add the chili later. Alright guys, so right now the water is bubbling. You can see it's very hot right now. So what I need you to do is add your mushroom. Add them in. I mean, this is not supposed to be the mushroom for you to cook with the Tom Yum Goong, but this is what I can find. So it also can cook with Tom Yum Goong. But this is not actually the mushroom that you want to cook with your Tom Yum Goong, but it works the same because this is all I can find. So you get to adapt. Wait a little bit, like maybe 30 seconds, and then lower the heat down. Lower the heat down and then add the milk. It's very easy to lower the heat to medium heat, and then add the chili paste. Kinda almost look like Tom Yum Goong now. Stir them. Alright, the next step is to add the trim. Like that. And I'm gonna teach you something about Thai culture when they're cooking. I don't know if chefs do this, but my family is always telling me as soon as you put the meat in, whether the soup or anything, if it's not stir fry, as soon as you put the meat in the soup, beef, chicken, pork, seafood, you don't stir them. Make sure when you put like spread, so you don't have to stir them. Otherwise it's gonna get that meat smell, the seafood smell, not the good smell. In Thailand we call meng khao. I will translate for you in English because I don't know what is that word is. I'm just gonna wait until it cooks. Okay, and then cover it up. For the trim to cook, for the trim you can clean it however you want. You can take the shell off, but I prefer it to look like that because it looks pretty, even though it's difficult to eat. But that looks pretty for me, and I don't like to overcook my trim because it's gonna go tiny. Alright, when it's bubbling, I want you to put all the chili that you smash in. I like to put the chili at the end because I don't like the chili to overcook. It's gonna be black. Right now the shrimp looking so good. See? And then we will turn the heat off. Now it's time for adding the taste. So fish sauce. Fish sauce in. Lemon, always put it at the end. Gonna have the nice smell. And then this one, I forgot the name again. Oh, it looks so nice. There you go, you got Tom Yum Goong. Alright, so I'm gonna try the Tom Yum soup. Well, gonna try them. Ooh. Oh wow. Oh wow, I'm so proud of myself. It actually tastes amazing. So I just want to tell you something about Thai food or the recipe that I give to you. You can adapt it. If you don't like it to be too sour, then you can put the less lime. If you like it to be a little bit salty, you can put a little bit more of fish sauce. It's up to you. When you're cooking Thai food, make sure that you just put all the fish sauce and all the sauce. Just put it a little bit first and then taste them. If this is the taste that you really like. If not, you can add it more. Always cook plain first and then put more fish sauce, sugar, whatever you want. At the end, make sure that you got the best taste of you. This recipe that I make, I really like sour, so this is like have the sour taste coming out. It's more like Tom Yum Goong, what it's supposed to. If you don't like it's too spicy, I actually put the chili at the end, so you barely even taste the chili, and the chili paste is not spicy at all. So let's go put this on the plate and we go eat. Alright, so I have got my Tom Yum Goong right here, and I'm on a diet, so I try to eat everything in small portions. Let's try. I already tried the soup. I haven't tried the all together yet. Let's see. Oh, actually, I'm gonna add more lime. I really like sour food. If you want to be more spicy, then add more chili and boil them again. This is what I'm talking about. Sour, a little bit of the sweetness and a little bit salty. And I will tell you this is total healthy because all the sauce that I use low sodium sauce, so you will not get like blow up. Because I always getting blow up all the time eating Thai food because so many sodium in it. So I actually bought this one called Good Life, this sauce. I actually use all of their sauce, Good Life sauce. This one is less sodium, 40%, and it's very good for your health. It's a little bit extra cost, but it's worth it for your health. So let's try. I would recommend you to buy as big as possible for the shrimp, so it's like the big size, because it would taste 100 times better. We have already small shrimps, but that's fine because I don't like my shrimps to overcook, so my shrimp actually dancing in my mouth. It's like it's bouncing when I bite them. It's soft and it don't have like that nasty seafood smell when you add the seafood in the soup, the shrimp in the soup, and you don't stir them. That's like the trick that my grandma been taught me, my auntie been taught me. This is so good. Now you guys are gonna watch me eating. Meow meow meow. Meow. Meow meow. I'm talking to my cat. He was looking for my mom. Alright guys, I have finished my lunch and it tastes amazing. If you want to try do Tom Yum Goong, then the ingredient will be under the description. If you like me to do more cooking video like this, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button till you get the notification the next time I post the video. And don't forget to comment down below, tell me about anything, about yourself, about the weather, anything. I just like read your guys comment and I answer all of your questions. Until next time, stay safe guys. Bye bye.